We have been waiting to talk to our next guest all morning. So, all rise for the incomparable Judge Judy and her granddaughter, Sarah Rose.
They're about to kick off season 2 of the Emmy Award-winning show, Judy Justice.
Nice to see you. And you,
Great again.
Great to have you here.
Congratulations on everything.
I'm coming down to you, don't worry.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
Get up there. Get on up there. There you go. Oh, it's wonderful to see you all again.
Yes.
And you.
Oh, it has been, 27 years in television. You are the longest running judge on television. Been on the bench more than 50 years.
Probably older than anybody I know.
No. But why would I ask you this? A lot has changed in the 50 years, but you haven't. You have stayed true to what you believe is right and wrong. How have you done that?
Well, it's been sort of easy. I grew up with, you do the right thing happens. Take responsibility, pick up is that your gum wrapper on the floor, pick it up. I grew up with that. And my family was comfortable living within the parameters of certain rules that the family set, that the community set, and everybody seemed to function. Would that be a fair statement?
Yeah.
That'd be fair. Things don't function anymore. Yeah. And I found in the family court that the dysfunction that I saw had not been resolved, and despite the fact that billions of dollars were spent on trying to find remediation and just the right therapy and just the right social service, it didn't get better. And today is just another example of you haven't found the formula yet. So I just stay in my own little world. I say, this is right and this is wrong. Pick up the Wrigley wrapper from the floor. You don't have to have the truth to have a good memory. If you tell the truth, you don't have to have a good memory.
Yeah, true.
Try to keep good friends and keep your enemies closer until you find out how you can annihilate them.
Well, someone that you keep close is your granddaughter, Sarah, and you're the court clerk on Judy Justice. But congratulations on order. You just graduated from New York Law School, and your grandmother presented you with your degree. So what was that like?
It was surreal to have my grandmother be the first speaker for the first graduation in a couple years due to COVID at New York Law School. So just to have my classmates excited about the moment, and then for me personally, was just over the moon that she was there, and beyond being there, being able to give me my degree was really special. And my Aunt Nicole as well, who's also a New York Law School alum, was up there to give it to me. So it was a great legacy moment for me.
And Sarah, it's you can see the love that's there and the respect. And I saw you nodding your head with everything your grandmother was saying about right and wrong. And yet, the two of you don't always see eye to eye. How do you handle that?
Personal and in work now. It's been great because I think that when we get to discuss the case afterwards, not only are we trying to give the audience a takeaway and a real legal lesson from the case, but I think it shows how different generations, we think differently. We have different morals, different standards, and I think that healthy discourse between the two, being able to air that and show that, because I know I'm not the only granddaughter that fights with their grandmother, so I hope that showing the disagreements in a healthy way and in a legal sort of, almost a debate type setting, I think it's great.
You can agree to disagree and still like each other. You see, now wouldn't the world be a better place if we could agree to disagree, be fulsome in our position, and walk away and not throw paint on your car and not be angry.
Healthy discourse, as you were saying. Healthy.
We actually have a look at the new season.
Let me explain something to you. I don't know whether you watch me in the past or whether you don't watch me in the past, but I want you to know that I know exactly who you are. I know exactly how you live. I know exactly how you support yourself. I know who you are. I know all of that. So let's not play with each other.
Oh, that's a little flavor for season 2. I had the pleasure of being out there for the premiere of season 1. Congratulations on the Emmy, by the way. So what more can we expect in season 2?
I hope more and better of the same. We get to as we get to feel our oats together, we feeling a little more comfortable with each other. And certainly now that she's taken the bar, she thinks she's a big shot. So more and more she's come back and said, I don't agree with that. I said, really? Find me something in that machine that supports that. And we go out and we'll have a little bit of a debate. I'm also an electronic moron. I can't do anything related to computer except work on an iPad machine. And I certainly don't know things like Bumble. What is it called?
I think that's right. Bumble, Facebook Marketplace, we have a hard time with too.
I don't know about any of those things. So I will look over to these several generations younger sitting next to me and say, what is that? What is that? And I don't know whether it's a good or a bad thing. She usually knows.
Oh, she does.
Yes.
But it works well together. You do.
It does.
Okay. All right. Don't look at Grandma. Let us know, what was she like when you were younger as a grandma? Did you ever have to make a case for yourself?
You always have to be prepared for the follow-up question. That was the #1 rule I learned as a child. Never try and lie, because if, like you said, if you tell the truth, you don't have to have a good memory. But also, follow-up questions are always going to be there from her, from any of the other lawyers in the family. So if you're going to try and tell a lie, make sure you're ready for the follow-ups.
And Judy, we know you never slow down. You keep on going, but you have a big birthday coming up on Friday.
I did.
We have some plans? What are you going to do?
I do. I'm celebrating the 10th anniversary of my 8th birthday on Friday.
I love that.
Yes.
And we're having a little get-together at the house, and then the family is off for a week on a private, quiet island just so that we can gather strength together as a family. You know, several of us have places in Naples, Florida. We are Florida residents.
How'd you make out?
And, well, we kissed goodbye a couple of cars, which went floating.
Yeah.
But generally speaking, we were luckier than most people down in Florida. And we're hoping to get back before the season ends.
Oh.
Yeah.
We'll have a festive, glorious birthday celebration. It's a beautiful family. You guys are always so close in how you just want to make a difference. Just want to make a difference. And just, you remind us of things that we were taught. Mm-hmm. We were taught when we were younger. And oftentimes you're just a good reminder for us, Judy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah Rose. And the second season of the Emmy Award-winning Judy Justice premieres November 7th with 4 all-new episodes on Amazon Freeves. A new episode will be released every weekday. Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.